thank you.
How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Albert, after we shook.
Oh, I smell chicken curry.
Yeah.
Whole morning I've been cooking chicken curry and potato.
Say you smell like that, but yeah, glad you brought it up.
No, I changed my shirt. Don't worry.
thank you.
All right, it's all there.
1 minute.
Okay, quickly. All right. As you know, we have seen you doing marvelous stuff, fantastic stuff with your son all these years. And we have to recognize your services, right? So here, on behalf of the Multicultural Social Network, I want to present an appreciation award to Susie Longman. Well, you're with us now. What it says, I'll just read it out. Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Susie Longman for contribution to the Gold Coast community.
Wonderful.
All right. Thank you very much.
So he's brought in those meals that we were talking about before, the halal, for anybody who needs that. So thank you, darling.
Thank
You're
you very much.
amazing.
Thank you.
Thank
Wonderful.
you.
All right, we'll take a
Every
quick
year.
photo.
Quick photo.